Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August and the try-on. So if you'd like to see what I got and how I did this, just keep on watching. First off, I got the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. These retail for $13. I have tried these and they seem like they do a pretty decent job. I'll let you know more in the future. Then I got the Ades Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. This retails for $18. I've yet to try this, but I will update you with how it performs when I do. Then I got the House of Lashes lashes, and these are the mini wispies. These retail for $9 to $12. I don't really wear lashes, so I won't be using them in this video. And this is the Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner. This retails for $22. I didn't really use this either because I'm not a big fan of gel eyeliner. So the things I did use were the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal eyeshadow palette. This retails for $19, comes with 6 shadows. And first I went in with the shade, okay, the yellow one. I'm not quite sure what the name of that was because my finger was blocking it. But I ran that into my crease using a blending brush. And this shade seemed like it performed really nicely. It did take a little to build it up to a certain opacity that I wanted, but it did turn out pretty good. Then I went in with the shade Dranks on the same brush, which is the orange shade, and I ran that into my crease as well, just a little lower, and just using windshield wiper motions, I applied this little by little and then built it up to the color that I wanted because I didn't want the orange to be too overpowering compared to the yellow, and this color performed well as well. It blended out nicely, had good pigmentation. I'm also putting a little of that into my outer corner. And I know my scheduling for posting has been a little weird, and the reason for that is I'm thinking I'm going to be switching to 2 videos a week just because I want to give you quality videos without like feeling too stressed out. And I think doing 3 was kind of making me feel overwhelmed, so I think boiling it down to 2 would really help me. Then this is where I kind of started to have some trouble. I took the shade Damage Control using the Bodyography Pro shader brush, and I started to pack this onto my lid. And at first, it seemed like it was performing really well. And then once I had it all over my lid, I started to just slightly soften out the edges where it met the crease colors because I didn't want to go too hard on blending because if you blend blue and orange, it becomes kind of muddy. So I just slightly blend it together just so it kind of fades a little. And when I was doing that, the blue was kind of like blending away. Like if I swiped the brush back and forth, if you could see right here, it's just starting to go patchy. It's starting to blend away. I didn't know what was going on. I've never really had issues with shadow like that before, so maybe it's just the shade in particular because this was the one that was giving me the most difficulty. The other ones all performed really well, so I'm thinking it's just the formula in this particular shade. And so I decided to go back in with Dranks one more time and just make the orange kind of come back. And then I went back in with the blue, and I just decided to pack this straight onto my lid and try to avoid any and all blending so that I could salvage this look. But I mean, it did look nice once I packed it all on. But I want to say about 2 hours after wearing it, I looked in the mirror and it had like pretty much faded completely off of my lid, which was once again strange as well. Then I took the shade Karaoke on the same brush, just using the other side, and I packed this onto my lid, but closer to my lower lashes because I wanted it to go from orange to the lighter blue shade to the more royal blue shade that Karaoke is. And this went on pretty nicely. When the colors faded, it was only the lighter blue shade that faded, so it was really awkward looking. It was like orange, this weird faded muddy blue, and then down to Karaoke, which stayed nice and vibrant throughout the day. So my overall thoughts on this palette is it's okay, just not that blue shade. I have yet to use the purple, but that blue shade, oh my goodness, I don't know what was going on. then you can see there too that as I was packing on karaoke, some of that lighter blue shade disappeared. So I had to dip back into that one more time and then pack that on to that to my lid to where it was placed before, and then I just kind of blended it into karaoke. And I mean, I think it came out good overall. Just next time I would skip that lighter blue color and just go in straight with karaoke, and I think that would have looked 1,000 times better, to be honest. And then going back in once more with drinks, I just added a little more of that to the lowest part of my crease, just to make it look blended and a little more seamless, because I was trying my best to work with that freaking blue color. I seriously, oh, I don't know. And then for my lower lash line, I went in with It's a Party, and I ran that along my lower lashes using the Royal and Langnickel, what is this? Oh goodness, it's like their shader or smudger brush, or I don't know, I'll put it on the screen or in the description box below. And then I went in with the shade Drinks, and I did the exact same thing, just a little closer to my lash line. And then taking the shade Bottoms Up, which is this pink shade, this does have some glitter in the shade, but if you tap off the brush, it doesn't really have the glitter show up too noticeably, so I didn't really want the glitter to be like super overpowering, so I just tapped off the brush and it helped to tap off the glitter. And I just ran that closest to my lower lash line using a detail brush from BS Mall. And then for mascara, I used the Essence Lash Princess Mascara and coated my top and lower lashes. And then since I didn't want this to just be like a few things that I show you, I just decided to throw on the Tarte Tartist Pro Glow highlighter in the shade Exposed. I decided to do this on camera just so it wasn't like eye look and then lips and that was it. But yeah, I'm using that to highlight my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the tip of my oh my goodness. Can I speak today? No, I cannot. My children have been sick the last few days and I have just been super tired. And I'm just trying to get this done so I could post this tomorrow because today's Monday. But I'm just putting that on everywhere I normally do. And then the last thing I got in the box was the Smashbox Be Legendary liquid lipstick, I think it is, in the shade Psychic Medium. I'm not sure exactly which one this is for price, but the different lip products that came in this box are anywhere between $21 and $24. And I really like this color. I really like the wand on this. It gave me nice, precise lines. And it stayed on really well, and the color was just great. I for sure recommend these liquid lipsticks. And that completes this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you got in your box down below in the comments. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.